Extended ratios are another kind of ratio, and the idea is it can compare multiple things. So you could have 3 to 4 to 5 as the three numbers that you're comparing in a ratio. My example that I usually use with this is if you make pancakes on the weekend, you might use Bisquick, which is a brand of pre-mixed flour and baking soda and salt and all this kind of stuff, and you add milk and eggs. And the way it works is you have 2 cups of the Bisquick, 1 cup of milk, and 1 egg. So no, 2 eggs. Sorry, that doesn't seem right, but let's just say what it is. So the idea is, if you wanted to make more, you could if you wanted to make an extra batch. Say this normally gives you 12 um, pancakes. That could also be included in the ratio. Let's say I want 24 pancakes. Well, I just have to double everything. 4 to 2 to 4 to 24. Or let's say I just want 6 pancakes. I could cut everything in half and have 2 to point, sorry, how about half of 2, which is 1 to point 5 to 1 to 6. So the idea is these extended ratios can be used to compare lots of different things. And of course, in a geometry class, we're not going to be making pancakes, sadly. Um, we are going to talk about triangles. So in example 2, we're going to use extended ratios, and we are going to use them for a triangle where it tells me the ratio of the measures of the angles is 3 to 4 to 5. Now, what that means is I have some triangle. I don't know anything about the actual measures, but I know there's a ratio between all of them. One is 3 times something, 4 times something, and 5 times something. So the ratio, if I were to write the ratio down of these three angles, it would be 3x, I don't know why I was about to write plus there, 4x, and 5x. I could divide everything by x because it has to at least be 1, right? So I could divide everything by x, and you can see it reduces down to 3 to 4 to 5. But since this is a triangle, I know all three of those angles have to add up to something, and that something is 180. So a total of 12x equals 180. So I divide both sides by 12, and I really should probably have this one in the back of my head. I don't know why I don't. X is 15, which means if we that just is our x value right there. Now we can find the measures of the angles. Well, 3 times 15 is 45. So this angle right here is 45 degrees. 4 times 15 is 60. 5 times 15, 70. So that means our three angles are 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 70 degrees. All right.